Hi YouTube, thank you for tuning back in with the real Eshay. So you see these cool shoes? I just think these soles are so freaking dope, man. I really haven't seen any shoes like this, but you know what? I think these are the type of shoes that athletes wear. A young lady actually mailed in her shoe to me, and this is a pretty cool shoe. This is actually called the Nike VaporMax. Let me show you the box. This is a pretty expensive shoe too, you guys. Like, this shoe alone without even the design is 215 bucks, man. So people love Nike. So anyway, so the young lady asked if I could cover the swoosh in gold. I think she said she's going to some basketball game or something like that. I said I was going to do this for her for free because the inner swoosh is so freaking small. You see how small that little swoosh is? The little checky check is so small. So since it was so small and she wasn't aware and she paid for both sides to be covered, I just told her I'll do this part for free. So let's get started on this cool design. I love this shoe. Oh my goodness. So you probably hear some stuff in the background. I have my baby here with me, so I can't have it silent today. But anyway, so I'm done with the outer swoosh. So now I want to work on the air portion of the shoe. Let's get started. So I'm done with the air, as you can see. It's cute. So now I need to start on, and I haven't allowed it to dry yet, so I have to be very careful. So now I need to start on this little baby swoosh right here. As you can see, the little baby swoosh is done. That was like so freaking quick. The fastest I think I've ever done a swoosh before. Anyway, so I'm pretty much done with the shoe. I'm gonna let it dry. As you already know, comment below if you have any questions. Please subscribe to the channel if you like what you saw and you want to see more. If you want to see some new creative designs, it doesn't necessarily have to be shoes. You can go on Eshay's website and you can look for various designs that's listed. We have a very massive amount of designs there. Also, if you see something maybe that you was thinking about making and you don't even see it on the site, I'll still try to see if I can make it, because that's just what I do. So, as always, have a creative day. Bye-bye.